All right, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to reveal one of the best niche for YouTube automation. A niche that's not only easy to create, but also has insane potential to go viral. This is something I've personally done, and trust me, it's amazing. The best part? It's in high demand and targets viewers from top-tier countries like the USA, UK, and Canada, which means great earnings and massive reach. If you're looking for a simple way to grow fast and make money with YouTube, you're going to love this. Some of my colleagues also tried this niche, and these are the results they got with this niche. In just 3 months, a few of them even crossed 100,000 subscribers within just 30 days. And the best part, I have tried out this niche too, and will reveal my results in front of you in a moment. The niche I am talking about is called the fake text niche. First, take a look at a channel named Robo. It has more than 600,000 subscribers. I first discovered this channel a few months ago while scrolling through social media, and that's when I decided to try this niche myself. This channel makes YouTube shorts, and every short gets millions of views. But that's not all. People often say that if you upload shorts on a channel, you cannot upload long videos on the same channel. However, this channel proved everyone wrong. Robo also uploads long videos along with shorts, and you can see for yourself that even their long videos get hundreds of thousands of views. Now, you are smart enough to analyze how much this channel makes every month. I can easily tell you that this channel earns around $10,000 monthly. The craziest part is that this channel started in April, just 8 months ago, and already has more than 900 million views and over 600,000 subscribers. Now, if we talk about my results in this niche, I have uploaded 6 videos in this niche just for fun, and the results I received are beyond what I expected. My first ever video in this niche got more than 3,000 views, and the second video instantly got more than 10,000 views. Similar results continued, and I had only one video with less than 1,000 views. Besides that, all the other 5 videos ranked in the thousands, with the latest video having more than 14,000 views. On this channel, I currently have more than 1,300 subscribers. If I show you my channel demographics, you can clearly see that most of my views are from top-tier countries, as mentioned at the start of this video. Today, in this video, I will teach you exactly how you can create videos in the fake text niche for your brand new channel. But before we start, take a look at a video I created in just 10 minutes in the fake text niche, which is even better than what Robo makes.
Bro, you'll never believe this. I just got a text from a random number offering $1,000 if I can solve their challenge.
Wait, what? Is this some scam?
I thought so too, but it's too detailed to be fake. Should I play along?
I don't know. What if it's legit? You could win.
Okay, here's what they sent. I'll give you $1,000 if you can figure out where I'm hiding in the city. I'll drop clues every hour.
OMG, that sounds like a treasure hunt. You have to try it.
Clue 1 just dropped. I'm where the city breathes, but nobody lives.
The park? The subway? Where would that be?
Subway sounds right. I'm heading there. I'm here at the
So, we will start with the very basic step, which is creating a new channel. In case you want to skip this part, you can use the timestamps in the description. For the channel name, we will simply take help from GPT. We'll ask GPT, I am creating a new YouTube channel in the fake text niche, and I want you to provide me with some YouTube channel names inspired by a channel named Robo, but different from the name Robo. The reason we ask GPT for names similar to Robo is that the channel is already very popular. If we create a channel with a name similar to Robo, we have a high chance of attracting their audience to our channel as well. As you already know, they have a massive subscriber base. Once GPT provides us with a list of names, we will pick a good one and create our YouTube channel. Now, we will simply ask GPT to provide us with some funny prompts for images for our channel because the fake text niche is a funny niche, and having a similar channel logo can really attract viewers' attention towards our channel. Once GPT provides us with image prompts, we will copy the prompt that we find attractive and then ask GPT to make me an image of paste the prompt. GPT will make us an amazing logo for our channel. In case you don't like the image GPT created, you can try other prompts and then just download the image that you like. For our final part in GPT, we will ask GPT to write us a well-written short description for our YouTube channel in the fake text niche, and make sure to SEO optimize the description to help the YouTube algorithm figure out what our channel is about. In return, GPT will provide you with a well-written, SEO optimized description. Now, we will simply head towards YouTube Studio and first upload our channel logo on our channel. After uploading our logo, we will simply head back to GPT and copy the description that GPT provided us, and then paste that description in our YouTube channel, now finally, about the channel banner. If you take a look at the channel Robo, just see how basic and simple their channel banner is. Simplicity is the key, guys. So we will create a simple channel banner in Canva. We will just add a simple background image and then add simple text, such as, "Subscribe for a laugh." You can go with similar text. And that's it. No need to waste time on making a banner. Finally, we will upload our banner on our YouTube channel, and here we go. Our professionally customized YouTube channel for the fake text niche is ready. Now, let's head towards the scripting. Let me tell you a secret. Do you know how I got more than 3,000 views on my first ever video in this niche? Instead of telling you, let me show you how. So what we will do is go to Robo's channel, and then we will simply apply the most popular filter on Robo's channel. After that, we will copy the link of one of his most popular videos, and then search for TurboScribe on Google and open up the website. Next, click on Transcribe Files, and then click on the link icon at the top right. After that, simply paste the video link here and click on Import. Then, just select the whale model and click on Transcribe. What this will do is provide us with the script of that particular video from Robo. It will take a few seconds to transcribe the video, and once it's ready, simply click on it and copy the entire script. Then, we will head to GPT and ask, "I create fake text YouTube shorts, and this is a script of one of my competitors. I want you to provide me with a similar but different fake text story script, like the one I provided you. In return, the script that GPT will provide you, trust me guys, will be just fire." Once you read the script, you will realize that if you tried to write a similar script by yourself, it would be almost impossible to do. But GPT wrote you a perfect, retention-grabbing script. It's also similar to Robo's script, which can resonate very well with the audience and has high chances of going viral. Now, guys, it's time to create the best possible video. And for that, we will be using my personal favorite AI tool, AI Cut. I've been using AI Cut for a while now, and it's been the best tool. You can simply create a free account in AI Cut, and after that, to get started, simply click on the fake text niche option after you land on this interface. Now, pay close attention. First, go to the chat section and customize the whole video outline. First, you can write the name of the contact. For example, I would write Jack. After that, you can also upload an image of the character Jack. You can simply create a random image of a person and upload it here, which will give the overall video a professional touch. Finally, select a chat template for your video. I personally like this chat preset because it has performed amazingly well for me. Now, come back to the text page and then simply click on Add First Message. Go back to GPT, copy the first text message, and paste that message into the first text box just like this. From the position option, you can change the text between the sender and receiver. You will shortly understand it. From the exaggerate voice option, if you turn this option on, it will make the voiceover character talk in an aggressive, shouting manner, which will give the overall video a realistic touch. Only turn this option on during intense moments, as it suits in our first text. We will turn it on. You can also select a sound effect that will pop before the message, but don't use sound effects on every message. Manage this option according to the scene. After that, simply go back to GPT, copy the second message, click on the plus icon to add another text box, and paste the text into the text box. Then, click on position to change the message position from one person to the other, because the second message is from the second person, so we change the position of it. After that, repeat the same process. Add another text box. Copy the third text, paste it in the text box, and keep repeating the same method until all of your messages are complete. Don't worry, it's not that hard. You'll get used to it once you make your first video. After everything is customized, Go to the background page and upload your gameplay footage here. You can either record your own gameplay or simply download copyright-free gameplay videos from a channel named No Copyright Gameplay. Just make sure to provide the link to this channel in your video description. For now, I will go with one of these pre-made templates of AI cut. Then, from the Voices section, first select 11 Labs. After that, you can pick a good voiceover character, but make sure to pick a character with a clear, crisp voice and not a deep voice. That will be your left person's voice, because we have two people in our video, the left person and the right person. So we will have to select two different voiceover characters. For the right person's voice, you will again select 11 Labs. And then, for the person on the right side of the messages, pick a different voiceover character. If the person on the right is female, pick a female voice. If it's male, pick a male voice. The same process goes with the left voiceover character as well. After all of this is done, for the final step, you can simply select a good background music for your video. AI Cut has some really good copyright-free background music available. Make sure you listen to all the music options one by one. And in the end, select a music track that matches the scene of your video. It's very important that the music perfectly syncs with the video. Finally, we've completely customized our video. Now it's time to generate our video. It will take around 3 to 5 minutes for AI Cut to make your video. And the reason I suggest using AI Cut to make fake text videos is that creating these types of videos manually is very difficult, especially getting those chat presets and arranging the discussion between two people. If you're a beginner, you will get confused with your very first video if you try to do it by yourself. So AI Cut is your best option. It costs only $16 per month, and you can literally upload one video every day on your channel without compromising quality and without needing any video editing expertise. Our video is finally ready, guys. Let's have a look at what we created.
Your tree is hanging over my yard. It's blocking the sun and making a mess with leaves all over the place.
That tree's been there for years. It's not my fault if it grows over the property line a bit.
It's not a bit. It's taking up almost 5 feet of my garden. I need you to trim it.
5 feet? That's a lot. I can't just trim it that easily. It's a big tree.
I don't care. It's your tree, your responsibility. Either trim it or I'll call the city.
You're going to call the city for a tree? Are you serious?
Yes, if you don't trim it, I'll have no choice. It's my property being ruined.
Fine, I'll trim it next week. Happy now?
No, I want it done today. I've already waited long enough.
Today? I can't do that. It's too much work and I have other things to do.
I don't care about your schedule. My garden's getting ruined.
It's just leaves, Samantha. You can clean them up.
You don't get it, do you? I don't want to clean them every week. You need to take care of this tree now.
All right, I'll do it, but I'm not happy about it.
Thank you. I'll be watching.
Whatever, but if it grows back next year, don't come crying to me again.
I won't. I'll just call the city next time.
Wump wump, Samantha.
Guys, rate this fake text video out of 10 in the description. And if you're ready to accept a 30-day challenge in this niche, then comment ready and let me know what you've got. Also, join my free Discord community from the link in the description to stay connected with me and a large community of other creators like yourself. Now guys, in the final step, let's upload our video. And I'll also tell you the perfect time to upload your video so you can target audiences from the USA, UK, and Canada. So first, we'll upload our video on the channel, and then we'll go back to GPT and copy this sentence, which is basically our video title. It gives our viewers a hint about the video and creates a lot of suspense, which is exactly what we need to hook them. Speaking of hashtags, you need to include 3 to 4 relevant ones. The video category will be entertainment, of course now, for the best uploading time. If you're from Asian countries like Pakistan, India, China, etc., make sure you upload your videos late at night, between 9 to 11 p.m., because that's when most of the audience in the USA, UK, and Canada are active. If you're from Western countries, you can upload your video between 2 to 6 p.m. for the best start. Stay consistent and upload one video at the same time every day to get the best possible results. So that was it, guys. It took a lot of research and hard work to create this course for you. So don't be shy. Show some love by giving a like and subscribing.